Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving into a topic that combines two things we love: plants and practicality. Did you know that there are certain plants that can thrive in your bathroom while also helping to absorb excess moisture? In this video, we will explore 5 fantastic bathroom plants that not only add a touch of greenery but also contribute to maintaining a healthy humidity level in your space. Let's jump right in. Our first contender is the spider plant. This popular and resilient plant is not only known for its air purifying qualities but also its ability to absorb moisture from the air. Its long, arcing leaves create a beautiful display while working to maintain a balanced humidity level in your bathroom. Place it on a windowsill or hang it from a hook for an eye-catching display. Next up, we have the elegant Boston fern. This lush and feathery plant thrives in high humidity environments, making it a perfect fit for your bathroom. The Boston fern not only absorbs moisture but also helps improve air quality by removing toxins. Hang it in a macrame hanger or place it on a shelf to add a touch of natural beauty to your bathroom. The peace lily is not only known for its stunning white blooms but also its ability to absorb excess moisture. This plant is excellent at regulating humidity levels, making it a great addition to your bathroom. Keep it near a source of indirect light and water it moderately to keep it happy and healthy. Bamboo is another fantastic option for your bathroom. Lucky bamboo in particular is well suited for this space as it thrives in low light conditions and loves humidity. Its tall, slender stalks can add an elegant touch to your bathroom countertop or shelf. Just make sure to keep its roots in the water and provide it with indirect light. Last but not least, we have the versatile aloe vera plant. While it's known for its soothing gel, aloe vera also excels at absorbing moisture from the air. Place it on a windowsill or a sunny spot in your bathroom and not only will it help maintain humidity levels, but it will also add a touch of natural beauty to your space. When it comes to caring for these moisture-absorbing plants, keep a few things in mind. First, ensure that your bathroom receives some natural light as most of these plants still require adequate sunlight to thrive. Secondly, water these plants according to their specific needs. Always allow the soil to slightly dry out between waterings to prevent overwatering. And there you have it, 5 wonderful bathroom plants that absorb moisture while adding a breath of fresh air and beauty to your space. From the charming spider plant to the elegant Boston fern, these plants not only look great but also contribute to a healthier environment in your bathroom. So whether you are looking to create a spa-like oasis or simply add a touch of greenery, these plants are a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching and be sure to hit the subscribe button for more plant and home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.